Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to make a gun using a stick and a rubber band, which is very easy and you can easily make it at home. Put 3 ice cream sticks on top of each other according to the video. Connect the sticks together using a rubber band. Using a pencil, we design the shape of the gun trigger.
I like it.
We cut the wood using a razor. If you like my videos, please subscribe. We design the lower part of the wood and cut it using a razor. Place the trigger we made. Using a drill, make a hole in the center of the wood. A toothpick is placed in the hole created so that the trigger moves at the right angle, and we stick the toothpick using hot glue so that it does not move. We cut the extra parts. We place the gun handle, and we secure it in place using a rubber band. Be sure to put the rubber band in place as shown in the video. In this part, a gap has been designed for better positioning of the rubber band. And as before, we cut these parts using a razor. Pay attention not to injure yourself in this part.
I like it.
Attach a rubber band to the machine so that when the trigger is fired it will return to its original position. The rubber band that we intend to shoot should be placed according to the video. As you can see, the gun works well. If you like this video, please subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching.